way to come to Aquatica. As you can see, tons of clouds. Not very warm. Hopefully it'll still be fun. I touched some other water that was not very warm. So I'm not sure about this. But hopefully we'll have fun. This kind of stinks. These guys are closed. This is what I wanted to ride. A Aquatica. And we can't. Alright, well I feel nauseous now. Papa can go backwards. I said Papa can go backwards.
Okay. For me.
Holy guacamole, that's faster than I thought it would be. Round and round and round we go. When we stop, nobody knows. I just don't want to go backwards. I'm going to go backwards. Oh, no, I'm not. Woo! Woo! Woo-hoo! Whew. We got the all-day dining deal, which gives you, sorry I have a mess on my tray, but it gives you a side or a dessert. So I got cookies, the fries come with your entree. This is the bacon, double bacon chili cheeseburger. Not a good combination. And the bacon is like bacon bits. This is the bacon. So, I don't know. But part of the all-day dining deal is that you can eat every hour. You get a drink, like I said, the side, and your entree, which is nice. And it also comes with the bottles of water. Sophie got like a regular plain cheeseburger over there. This is the most expensive one, and it makes sense to me to buy the most expensive stuff with part of your thing, but not very good.
Got a cupcake.
Yep, so Soph got a cupcake as her side. So but there's like fruit in there, but the fruit really was just like 2 slices of an orange and a strawberry.
I really want to try this cupcake.
Yeah, she's dying for that cupcake. And this one over here, she's eating some Frenchy fries, huh? Is it yummy? Uh-oh. Wow, this is fast. This is so much faster than I thought it would be. This is so fast. Whoa. Ride the balls really fast. Oh my goodness. Oh, that ain't gonna happen. Oh my goodness. Ah, that's a big wave. Woo! This is probably the best lazy river I have ever been in.